Hi, today we talk about the fitting polynomial of the channel. So before beginning, we need to do the review for the what is for the GCF for the polynomial, right? For the GCF in the polynomial, we have the three things. First one for the binomial. Second one for the trinomial. Third one is for the grouping, means more than 3 times. So we by each one. Normally, we almost remember the two things. One thing for sum, other one for the different. So the sum, they have the square of the square. Sum, different of the square. Like this one, a plus a square plus b square. There is no GCF, or there is not for the binomial, but different of the square, a square minus b square equal a minus b times a plus b. This is for the square. Next one for the cube of the sum. A cube plus b cube equal a plus b plus a square minus a times by b plus b square. Other way, cube of the different is a square minus b square equal a minus b plus a square plus a times b plus b square. This is for the binomial. Next one for the trinomial. Trinomial, everyone may be looking almost every time, like the x square plus bx times x plus c. Almost like this is for the normal, or is called for the formula. I move a little one, okay? So then if the a times square plus b times x plus c, so we must know a no equal 1. So if you see the function like this one, we must use the a by c equal the square, like a plus b square sum, like this one, a square plus 2 times a times b plus b square, or a minus b square, different, a square minus 2 times a times b plus b squared. This is for the trailing normal. The third one is for the grouping fraction. And give us some question from your worksheet. So you can do that. They very easily for the group 1 by group plus group 2. Group 1, right, is first, second plus, and group 2 by third and fourth plus, right? So find the same way and become like this one, right? Okay, so next I will give some example, teach you how to do the same question. Okay, let's start. I'm with a later one. Okay. Example 1. 7 times x squared minus 21 times x minus 17x. This is 7 times cube, x cube. Okay, first we need to find the GCF. So we found 7x is GCF. So we transfer to 7 times x becomes x squared minus 3x minus 10. So the second line we use being our train, right? So we found they are normal square. They are normal, they don't have no square, they don't have the cube. So we choose the train. So remember, we have the x plus bx plus c. So look like the same one. So we transfer to the x times x, like this one, right? So how to find the next three? 1, 1, we have the 5, we have the 2, right? 5 times 2 is 10, right? So we can transfer to like minus 5 minus 2 is plus. Put them back for here. So we got 7 by times x become x minus 5 is x plus 2. We must be check the answer. So x times x is squared. X times 2 is plus 2. Negative 5 times x is negative 5x. Negative 5 times the 2 is negative 10. So we found x squared minus 3x minus 10 divided by 7x. So 7x cubed minus 21x squared minus 17x. Okay. Oh, sorry, I missed one. So this answer is similar for this one. So we checking, right? So this is for the first example. So we do the second example. Example 2 is called 24 y square minus 1500, no, 150. Okay, so first we need to check GCF, right? 24 and 115 is the same one, and we got 6, right? 6 by 4y square minus what? 25, right? Second one, we need to check their bedding or their training. So remember, the bedding has the square or cube, right? So right now we are so lucky, and we have the square for 4 times by y square minus 25. We make the transfer. 6 by 2 times y is the square minus 5 square, right? Everybody remember, we have the different a square minus b square, right? Is equal a plus b times a minus b, right? So I thought everyone remember this one, right? Okay, so do our question. Keep going. So 6 times 2y, 2 times y plus 5 by 2y minus 5. This for the answer for the question. This is our answer. But I tell everyone, must be check your answer again. So 2 times y by 2 times y is 4 square, right? 4y square. 2 times y times 5 negative 10y plus 5 times by 2y is 10y. 5 times negative 5 is 25. So we got 4 times square minus 25 by 6. 6 by 24 is 24 square minus 150, right? This is our question, and this is our answer. Everybody remember how to do the question, how to find the answer, how to check the answer, right? Okay, so next question, we do the other one. We do again, maybe the hard question. Okay, let's do the question 3. So question 3. Okay, sorry. Move a little one. Is 4a square minus 12 times a by a times b plus 9b squared. Okay, so we must be find GCF first, right? But we didn't solve that. No. So it's no GCF. Not. So how can do that? So we found that they have the a square. We found that they have the b square. So they are binding. No, because binding is no use this one, right? They are no square. They are square, but they can become square. So we can use the training. Remember the training? ax squared plus abx plus b squared for the training. So look like the same one. So we can try. So first we need to transfer to the 2a squared minus 12 times ab plus 9b squared. And we have the try normal have the formula like this one, right? A minus b different square. This means a square minus 2 times ab plus b square, right? Everybody remember this one? So we can use this one for here. So we only transfer for the 12 times AB. So 2 times 2A times 3B. We're so lucky we find it. This is 12 times AB, right? So 2A minus 3B different square is our answer. So we can double check, right? Like use this one. Remember, we can double check, use this formula. 2a square is 4a square minus 2 times 2a times 3b, right? Plus 9b square. What's next one is 4 square minus 12a times ab plus 9b square. Oh, we are so thinking this checking is pass. So everybody understand how to use the use the formula, right? Number one, we need to check the JCF, right? Number two, we need to find the binding, our training, our grouping, right? Number three, use the binding. We must be find the square, our cube. For the training, we must use the ax time plus abx plus b minus, they have two, right? Remember these two formula, a minus b plus, right, a plus b square, a minus b different square, right? So number three for the checking your answer. Okay, so this is for today review for C. Today review for GCF for normal polynomial fraction, right? Thank you. Watch my video. See you next time.